Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. This is a Leslie 122 amplifier. And let me show you what I've done on this amplifier so far. I replaced this input Amphenol connector. See, it was cracked here on the side. This is what it looked like when it was installed in the chassis. So I replaced it with a new Amphenol connector. I'll show you what it looks like. The amp looks pretty rough. I've wiped it off, but it's pretty rusty, but it plays good. Turn this thing over. It sounds fantastic. So here's the work I've done on it. And it was already partially rebuilt here. Somebody put these in here, and did some field soldering type work on it there, but and that looks twisted, but look at these caps, the way that they did this. But the amp works. The only other thing I'm gonna do here is I'll replace the cathode bypass capacitor right here. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to go ahead and try this out. But this amp, let me. I'll test this as well. I'll test that to make sure it's okay. But I know that I'm gonna definitely replace this. All right, let's see what else here. Let me check the can. We'll go ahead and put a new can on there too. I got new
Rips his newborn baby away from his biological mother. Bridget's a
I got new can capacitors over here. So I'll put a new can cap on it. I want the can cap. Let's see. Right here. All right, so I'll put that on there. And then that'll be it for this project. And so I'll have this one ready to return to the client this week. All right. That's it for this video. Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc, saying to you, peace out.